Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So today is Bonfire Night, Dan's favourite time of the year, well, his favourite day of the year. And we've just come to Sankey Valley.
Hello everyone. So,
Dan's just letting Darcy off to go and run.
Just gone running through the mud.
Yeah, so
we're out,
like we did last year.
Yeah, we're out to tire the dog out for a few hours so that she keeps calm tonight for when we've got the fireworks going. Not just us, but everybody else around where we live. Yeah. So, yeah.
She's just gonna have a nice wander around Sankey Valley Park.
True to us, actually. Go on, sorry.
We'll give her a bath afterwards as well, probably.
We're actually about 5-minute walk from Gulliver's World theme park in Warrington. Yeah. And I checked this morning to see if it's open, and it is. And where we go a little bit further up in the walk.
You're on dog duty.
You've just been to the loo?
Yep.
Where? Right, okay, we'll be back in a second, guys. I'll just pick this
Dan's
up and
just on dog duty.
Right, I'm back.
Dog sorted out.
Dog decided to go to the loo mid-conversation. So yeah, if we keep going down here, come through the woods, you can walk right round
Gulliver's perimeter,
maybe
in a way.
A third of the perimeter of Gulliver's theme park. And we go right behind the antelope. And I checked on Google this morning to see if it's open, and it is. So we're gonna have a little listen.
So we'll try and see if we can get
some footage. There is swings that you can see through the fence.
No, I know there is, I remember.
So we'll try and get some footage of them. So it's like a
start of the Bonfire Night.
It's like a day in the life vlog kind of thing. But fingers crossed we'll get some theme park
get her on lead, because these have got her on lead.
So yeah, we'll see you in a minute anyway. When me and Paris went to Poland and Italy and Portaventura, we took the train up to Manchester Airport. From where we live, it was from that way. We come straight across this bridge, and we noticed this river, and the last time we walked down there, so we knew where we was. But yeah, straight down there takes you to Manchester Oxford Road. This water's not looking too good. Last year, if you watch the Bonfire Night vlog back, there's a lake a bit further around in the woods, and it was all green like this. Darcy must have thought it was a continuation of the grass, and she jumped in. So yeah, we're hoping she doesn't do it today, but if we do, we are in Paris's car, so it's not a bad thing, not mine. So she'll dirty Paris's car. Darcy, come on. She loves it here, Darcy, don't you? Yeah. So we've just come across, I don't know how well it shows up on camera, some of the accommodation for Gulliver's World in Warrington. They look like caravans, and then over there's some kind of like lodges or something. Like, not sure, but they look empty anyway. So whether anyone's staying over, I don't know. I don't recall, we've been here before, round here, and I don't recall seeing them, do you?
No. I don't recall coming round.
We continue, Darcy. It's a nice day today, isn't it?
Yeah.
A little bit breezy, but the wind for the fireworks tonight's supposed to ease off, so hopefully. And the rain is meant to ease off at 2, even though it's not raining now, is it?
No, it's just sitting on the way.
Yeah, I've got a feeling we're lost because we've never been round here, I don't think, but it's all part of the fun. It'll be the first time this year we've been lost on a walk, Portaventura being one.
To be fair, last year you got us lost in Dimsdale.
Yeah, true. So we've now come out of the woods, and we're at the entrance for Gulliver's. Look, there's the sign for it. Thank you for visiting. We've not visited, but this is the road in. I used to drive down, well I never used to drive, but to come down here many times as a kid with my mum and dad down here into the park. So I think we're going to end up at the entrance, which is fine, and then off the car park there is a way back into the woods, and then we know where we are. We just took a wrong turn in the woods somewhere, and check Google Maps and we're here, so, but we'll show you a bit more as we get further down towards the entrance. By the way, this was not planned, was it, Paris?
No.
We wasn't meant to be going to the park entrance, but oh well. So there's the entrance and Gulliver's World Plaza. And there's some of the... I think it's not lodges, it's the actual hotel. They built a hotel. I've not been Gulliver's World in many years. Since I was a kid. We're not allowed in, are we, Paris? We've got to have kids with us, so...
Never been.
Paris has never been. When we have kids, we'll come in. But yeah, there's a little entranceway to the woods here now, so we're going to go back in, get back on the track that we were on. We've just checked the website on the walk in, and tonight there's a firework display. So I'm wondering if tonight's the last day of the season for this park. Maybe. So, what do you think, Paris?
Yeah, probably. It's a small park, isn't it? So.
Well, it was. It's a lot bigger now. A lot bigger. But yeah, there's our entranceway back to the woods. Just here. So straight from the car park of Gulliver's, we've come through the way that we were meant to go originally.
Come on, keep going. Why
Oh,
are you going through?
the dog's gone through the fence as opposed to... There we go, she's figured it out. She's a bloody numpty, this dog, honestly. I love her to bits, but she's a bloody numpty. I don't know. But yeah, so we're back into the woods now. When there's anything to update you with, we will. We're going to go on for a carry on the walk.
So we're just heading back to the car. We came to a path that was literally like flooded like crazy.
You've seen a guy walking two dogs coming from that direction. He never bothered to tell us that the path was flooded. The dog went in and it was like about that much.
Oh yeah, it nearly got to
we've got walking boots on, but I'm not going through that.
No.
So we have to turn around and come back, didn't we?
Yeah, so we're gonna head to the car. The rain's obviously starting again. It's been like on and off spitting, but yeah, hopefully it holds off. But we'll get the pooch back to the car. Hello, baby. So we're back from Sankey Valley. We ran to Spa to get some crisps for tonight, just in case we're a little bit hungry. For snacks, Dan's obviously got the microwave on because we bought something for dinner as well. We've got a bottle of lemonade, and
we're good.
Dan
do you want to see the stew
as well? He's doing a beef stew again.
Can't lift the lid, but yeah, it's got braised.
Quick sneaky peek.
No, because it reduces the cooking time.
Look.
It's got braised steak.
You're going mad at me.
Potatoes. Onions, carrots, thyme, rosemary, garlic, beef stock, and some beef gravy. And it's been on since 8 o'clock this morning, and I'm going to check it about 4:30. Put some dumplings in, thicken it first, then put some dumplings in, give it another hour, and we should be good. And we've got some hot dogs as well.
Yeah, for me.
All our drink is outside. Paris will show you in a minute through the window.
Yeah, but I'm not going to go outside because it's raining, but Dan's got a crate of Stella, just keeping cool outside. Got my bottle of lemonade on the floor as well, keeping cool. But yeah, just got them outside to keep cool. But there's our little garden area where we'll be setting fireworks off. So here's Dan's stash for this year. Bought it nice and early, didn't you?
Did September.
Yeah, nice. It's been
the galactic fireworks
dying to set them off.
To be honest, I kind of forgot about them, and then.
No, you didn't. Yeah. Don't fib. Don't say that to the viewers.
Galactic. I got this the other day, but we'll tell you about that when we come to it.
Yeah, so he's got. Which one are you going to set off first?
Probably out of these three.
Yeah.
First.
So we've got.
And probably some rockets as well.
Is that G-Force or just Force?
Force. Never had this brand before, Cube Fireworks.
Slammer. And Oxygen, which you got from...
The range.
The range.
I was done, I bought everything. And then I got this from... I went shopping with my sister to the range on Thursday.
Yeah.
And he went, don't let me buy any fireworks. We just went for a walk around after we'd been for breakfast. And
you bought one.
I watched a video on this because I seen it. It was only 15 quid. And it was really good. So that could be first, actually. I don't know.
And he said to me, he went, oh, Paris, someone slipped a firework in my pocket. And I was like, what do you mean someone slipped a firework in your pocket? I panicked, thought he'd stolen it, but no, he was basically saying, no, I bought another firework. I was like...
Because if I say that I bought another one, she'll say, well, you've already bought too many.
But yeah, he's bought, obviously, that from the range, and then it'll probably go up to maybe this one behind it.
In size, yeah, probably. In terms of the cakes, anyway, it'd probably be that one. Then maybe Love It Loud, Kicker, probably Gorilla,
and then that's the finale.
This thing, I don't think you can do it justice on video, but
it is massive.
Like next to me, it's 60 seconds long, 82 shots, and I've seen a video of this because I do all the research before I buy them, and it is crazy, really good.
Yeah, he's got some Dum Bum shot tubes,
Some Dum Bum,
little Dum Bum firecrackers there,
yeah,
and then quite a few different
rockets.
Rockets.
Never had these. We got moonshots last year. Didn't get these.
Yeah.
But this company, anyone who's interested, buy from Prime. They're really good.
Yeah, Prime, they're good.
2 packs of Warhawks.
Warhawks are obvious, he loves them, and the Thunder Rockets we had last year, didn't we?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's things coming.
How many packs of sparklers?
A lot.
6. And I've got a load of wood, which I'll show you in the shed in a minute.
But he's got his little wood pallet down in the corner just there.
Yeah, I'll take this out and show you setting up in a minute.
Yeah, but this is
that's it.
our little stash for this year.
So I've just come out to start setting up the firework setup up there. I try and make them as secure as possible, and the rain that has been relentless all day has finally cleared as the weather predicted, and the skies are clearing for us tonight. I'm absolutely buzzing. There's a rainbow over there, look. So yeah, we've got the fire pit there ready to go. Got the beers chilling. We've got my sister and Jack and Hannah are coming later on when they finish work. I'll just turn you around. Yeah, so I'm all set. I'm absolutely buzzing. Best night of the year. Better than Christmas. Better than Halloween. So yeah, I think Paris is just making herself a drink. Hang on. There they are. Wave.
So this is what the little shed looks like at the moment.
I got this from work. It was
You got
just
3
going,
of them
Yeah, it was just going spur. So
coming towards me with it like
I've got
a menace.
4 bags of logs that I've spent a fortune on because wood apparently has decided to rocket
Damn,
in
there's
price.
3 of them in there, and then
Yeah,
there's like,
there's a couple of
geez, we've got 4 of these.
Right, but I'll explain in a minute.
Yeah, they're to strap
One of
stuff on.
these is going in the grass to hold the fireworks in place while we set them off.
Yeah. Maybe a couple to hold them in place.
This I got yesterday as a backup, and then we've got another 3 of them. Because we like the fire at like 5,
We do.
5, don't we?
We do.
And we set out.
If
Maybe
you want to have a
drink
look,
or 2.
we'll try and...
And there's loads.
There's a lot down there. There's a lot of wood.
Yeah.
But there's our little fire pit.
It looks like a giant wok.
It does. As you can tell, we use it quite a lot.
There we go.
But yeah. That's our little fire pit. To be fair, we could put the chimney on as well. But
Yeah, but it's all
probably
wet.
stick
This will
with
be fine.
But yeah, looks like it's starting to clear up a bit. We did have a rainbow just behind. I don't know if it's gonna...
Oh, it's there. I showed them on camera,
there
yeah.
it is, yeah, it's
So
still
basically,
there.
yeah, this isn't at all any theme park related, is it? Just...
But our channel's not theme park
Yeah,
related.
I mean, you would
it's
think it is
everything.
because all we do is go theme parks. But
we did a lot of
obviously,
Halloween
there's going to
events.
be some daily stuff coming. There's going to be all sorts. Of
Yeah, because obviously it's called season, so we're going to do lots and lots of different things for you. But today's obviously Bonfire Night, so we'll get some... We'll get some stuff set up and then we'll bring you back. So we have now got the fire pit lit. We've only got one log on it at the moment. Just letting it hopefully start. Dan's just doing a bit of firework prep, aren't you?
Yeah.
Making sure everything's
Pretty
safe
much
because
set.
we're
I'll
not.
take you around the garden and
Yeah.
show you.
We like to be safe here, don't we? Not silly.
So fire's going. Doesn't look like much at the minute, but it's just to get the
only just
first log warm. This is the seating setup. We've got a few people coming, not many. We've got a swing over there for people to sit on if they want to. I'll be stood up because I'll be lighting the fireworks. Got some wood that we're breaking down to burn. We got 4 bags of logs. One of the other pallets that I picked up from work, from the warehouse, is down here, which I'll show you now. I've got the rocket tubes in, pointed off at a slight angle away from everybody. We've got a piece of the wicker seating, which is actually broken. It's been broken for a couple of years. I put that there last year and I'm doing it this year just to protect, obviously if you look at the angle that we've got, just to protect family and stuff from anything that might come back. What? Yeah, we're going to use the GoPro tonight as well, so we're probably going to put the GoPro here facing straight up, so if it works out well we'll include the footage. If it doesn't, then well, you know, it didn't go too well. Rocket tubes angled off slightly, obviously missed the fence, so we've got a decent view, and then the big cakes that we've got are going to go onto here, and the bricks obviously will secure, sorry I wasn't pointing down then, the bricks will secure They're big items. The big finale, the 82 shot, will fits perfect in there with a slight bit of leeway at the back, so we'll put some bricks around the outside as well just to make sure it's secure. Previous years I used a spare rocket tube from one of the rockets, staked it into the ground, and for every firework that we lit I'd come up, gaffer tape it with a torch, light it, come down, cut it all loose, do the same again, and it just got a little bit tedious, didn't it? It got a little bit tedious by the end of the night. Yeah, and we've got no trees around, so but yeah, it was a bit tedious, and you know, I feel like if you let off a good firework and then you run in and grab another one and come out, because obviously everything's wet out here, we normally would have them on the table. We might be able to bring them out later, but I don't like to keep lighting them, cutting them, coming out, lighting them, cutting them. So yeah, it'll be one by one, use the bricks to secure them. Any issues, we all run around the corner or in the house. Fingers crossed, we've had no trouble in the past, so we should be good. But yeah, that's the setup, and I'll be walking down here, up and down to light them, and then we've got this lot to break up if we decide to burn it. But for now, me and Paris are going to sit out, get this fire going, and just chill, and watch everybody else's fireworks. I've just turned the slow cooker off. We've got a slow cooker stew on, which we've shown you. Put some dumplings in. Yeah, so it's just a matter of waiting for everyone else to get here. Have a few beers. Have some stew and dumplings, some hot dogs.
Hot dogs. Oof,
light some sparklers. 1 of 6 packs that we've got.
I know. 6 packs of sparklers like we do.
And that's it, yeah?
Yeah.
Best night of the year. So the fire went out. We sat down with a drink and it went out. So we've just been chiseling away at some of the pallets, trying to shave off some like little kindling pieces, because we didn't buy any kindling. So we're confident now that when this catches, because it's all dry wood, it's been in the shed. Well, the pieces that we shaved off earlier, they caught, but there just wasn't enough. So we'll get back to you once we've got it going properly and it's roaring. So we managed to get the fire going, and it's now well underway. We've got a TikTok live going as well.
So Rebecca, Hannah and Jack have all just turned up. Also Bernard and Eleanor obviously inside. Dan's just putting the first couple of rockets in the tubes. He's loving life. Fire's nice and booming, so.
Where did we put the hammer?
We put the hammer on that bench. Don't listen to me, because I did tell him that age. On the bench over there. Got it wrong way. As he does.
Let's hope it doesn't.
So Dan's just doing Force, the first cake of the night. Fire going. Hannah's got a beer. Maz has got a phone. Rebecca's got
a phone.
Jack's got a beer. But yeah, Dan's just strapping the first one. Oh,
First multi-shot going up.
First one. And it's called Force. So this is the finale firework. It's the T-Rex. Is it primed?
No, it's not actually this year. It is
Black Panther. Black Panther for this one, and it's a big one. Hopefully it's going to go on. This is Catching Up with Bernie. If you haven't already, subscribe to her channel, but also don't forget to subscribe to ours.
In comparison to my mum's head. There you go.
It's massive. Yeah, so
not much brain in there though.
This is the finale fireworks, so Dan's just going to go and set it up and we'll get it on for you. So this is the aftermath. Danny can't really see much.
I put the torch on. That was mega. That was the one. I think that was
the T-Rex.
Maybe one of the best finales we've had.
Yeah.
Absolutely fantastic.
Definitely.
And this is it all. I think that's one of the best bonfire nights we've
There's
had.
the GoPro just sitting chilling here. Good job it's got a protective case on for you. But yeah, so that was no, turn that off. So that was Bonfire Night 2022, and obviously we spent quite a bit of money. Remember, if we recall from last time, Dan said he was going to spend thousands.
We didn't spend thousands.
No, we didn't spend thousands.
But we're building up. Last year was a bit less.
We're not
this
spending
year
thousands. If we ever spend thousands, we'll be going to like Disneyland.
In 6 years, it'll be thousands.
It
If we're
won't.
going up the increments that we're going up.
It won't, it won't.
Yeah, right.
But
Fine.
anyway, guys, if you do like what you see, please do rate, comment and subscribe to the channel. It is Ginger and Brown on everything, minus TikTok, which is Ginger and Brown 18. All the links to the socials will be in the description below. But for now, we will see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.